I'm Harrison, I'm in Year 10 and I'm a student at Haileybury. My favourite part about creating the robot was probably coming up with the design and then facing all the challenges that we had to do with that and finding the best way to maximise the performance of the robot. I had done a lot of research into what worked well in other robot competitions, and that gave me an opportunity to look at what designs worked best and what didn't work, which gave me an edge. The thing I've most enjoyed about Systems Engineering 1-2 was probably learning different things and then applying them to what we've built.
Hi, I'm Nabanya and I'm a student at Haileybury in Year 10. So my robot was a kind of a last-minute decision. In the first round, I got knocked out by Harrison, but in the free-for-all, my robot was one of the best ones. I think that was due to my advantage of the height and the really long reach.
My name is Mark McTeer. I'm Head of Science at Haileybury Senior School. Systems Engineering is a VCE subject. We have Units 1-2 Systems Engineering and Units 3-4 as well. In Units 1-2, the students learn a whole lot of skills in developing their understanding around electronics, circuitry, programming and construction as well. Throughout the year they learn these skills, and then it culminates in a final project where the students build their own robot, and then you can see them fighting off in a battle in these robot wars we've just had.